everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and today I am doing a cook and clean with me. I am very busy with my kids and activities after school. My son is in high school wrestling. My daughter is in art club and game club and a bunch of things. So I like to make quick and easy dinners. So tonight I am making a breakfast pizza and I thought I'd share that with you, and then I do a quick cleanup of my kitchen and living room area before I can sit down and relax. Alright, this is everything you're gonna need. A pizza pan, some eggs. I have about 6 in there. I have this premium cheddar sauce. I am using pre-made dough tonight. I have this pizza crust that I'm gonna go ahead and use. I have pizza cheese. I have these shredded hash brown potatoes, and I didn't cook them all the way. I just got them soft and ready to be put on the pizza. And I'm using these real bacon bits to go on there. So we do homemade pizzas, and I say homemade, it's mostly semi-homemade. We make homemade pizzas once a week, and we use different kinds of ingredients. Sometimes we do English muffin pizzas, sometimes we do bagel pizzas, sometimes we even make our own dough. I know, if we're feeling kind of fancy. But usually we will use like this canned dough or the kind that's already made in a package. I forget what it's called, like Mama something's pizza. And we like to use different things. My favorite is this chicken and spinach and garlic. It's so good. And my kids usually like to help make them, but tonight I was like, Mama needs a video, so I'm going to make the pizza tonight. And they were okay with that. And they love doing breakfast for dinner as well. It's another one of our favorites. So I thought, why not make breakfast for dinner, but in pizza form? So while that is cooking, I'm going to run around my kitchen and try and get the dishes done and clean off the counters and all that fun stuff.
'You must remember this, a kiss is still a kiss.'
Minutes before the pizza was going to be done, and I really wanted to get these folded so that I could sit down and have my pizza and not have to worry about laundry after dinner. I could just relax for once. So the pizza turned out really, really good. There was none left. My kids devoured it. My son especially loved it. It was so good. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I make a Ray Dunn series on Sundays.
Bye.